Cutting into slices, mastering kitchen English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase used in the kitchen, cut into slices. Whether you're cooking at home or just want to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is essential. Let's slice into this topic together. Cut into slices refers to the action of dividing something, usually food, into thin, flat pieces using a knife. It's a phrase often found in recipes or cooking shows. Understanding it is crucial for following cooking instructions accurately. Here, we'll demonstrate how to cut different types of food into slices. We'll start with basics like slicing bread, then move on to more challenging items like slicing a pineapple. Remember, the technique can vary depending on what you're cutting. In this section, we'll cover essential safety tips for slicing. We'll talk about the right way to hold a knife and how to keep your fingers safe. Remember, safety always comes first in the kitchen. Even experienced cooks make mistakes. We'll discuss common errors people make when cutting into slices, like using the wrong knife or slicing unevenly. We'll show you how to avoid these pitfalls. Now it's your turn. We'll provide some practice exercises you can do at home with different types of food. The more you practice, the better you'll get at slicing. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding and using the phrase, cut into slices. Remember, like with any skill, practice is key. Keep trying, and soon you'll be slicing like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy slicing!